Hello guys, this is Magic Potato here, and today we have some special guests with us, our cousins, McKenna and Mara. And today we'll be opening these Pop a Lot Surprise Pops.
These things look pretty cool.
That's right. These pops contain one Belly Pop plush, one Flutie plush,
4 collector chips and 8 pom-poms.
and confetti! Okay, let's get to it. So first, we have to pull off this plastic off of these Pop and Lot Surprise Pops. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, grab
Here
your
we go.
pops. And peel this off.
Carry the thing off.
That was pretty easy. Alright, now we all have to pop them at the same time.
Okay, this might get a little messy, so be prepared.
Ready? Okay, so we're gonna pop them on the table like this. Or at least try
Okay.
to. Okay, guys? Ready?
Go.
Set, go! What?
I think you might have to press harder.
You opened with that! Here, you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! You need help, Mara?
Yeah, press it over.
Wow! Wow! This got really messy! Confetti!
Now it's time to open up our bag.
Here, Mark, you put the surprise over there? Confetti! Surprises on the ground. Okay, first, how about let's open these collector chips?
The small.
You mean like these
Mara,
ones?
sit down.
Yes.
Okay, let's open these. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Whoa. These are really cute. So, there's one. It's a giraffe.
And
This one's a pig. This one's a bear. And this one's a kitty.
And
Okay,
this one is a bear. This one is
Turn around.
Oh,
you
look,
can see it.
it's a panda.
That's a panda.
it's
Oh,
a
that's
panda,
really cool.
and this one is a rainbow cat.
Ooh, that's really
Cool.
cute. Okay, Chase, then what do you got?
I got a unicorn.
Whoa, I really like that one.
I
McKenna,
got
what'd you
a
get?
chocolate panda too.
What'd you get, McKenna?
I didn't find it.
Here, you can open this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa. Here, grab those. Okay, show them what you got. Did you get any duplicates?
I'm not sure. I got a
Oh,
little
look at this
hippo.
one. She got an alligator. That's really cute.
I've got a little rainbow kitty cat, and then I got.
Whoa, this is one really rainbow. It's a polar bear. That's cool.
Guys,
Okay.
let's open the big ones now.
The big one.
Yes.
Here you go.
Here you go. Let's go.
Oh,
Aw, this one's very... Oh my god, it scented like vanilla. Let's see.
Oh my
Sure.
gosh, what does this one smell like? Apple pie alligator.
Whoa. Unicorn! Oh my god, you got the rainbow kitty.
mine smells
Can I trade you? This is a polar bear. Come on. You want to trade? You wanna
I
trade?
like the unicorn.
Aw, okay.
Now it's time to open up our next gift. At first, we're gonna do this one.
Okay, where'd the other ones go?
Oh, here's one.
There's one on the ground. Here, maybe? I don't see any.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's one right here.
Aw,
I got a mini candy corn.
it's a little candy corn. That's so cute.
I also
Oh,
got
it's scented like candy corn. Oh, I love candy corn. Scent.
I got this little
It looks like a s'more.
oh yeah, s'more. A little
Is it
s'more.
thick?
And I got.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, here's one.
Oh,
I
that's
mean,
mine.
no.
Yeah, you already opened one.
And this one
No,
is.
I'm supposed to have two. No, you only have this one.
You got a chocolate cake.
It looks like it. And I think I got a
It smells like
cupcake or a donut.
What does it smell
It smells
like?
like strawberry. I think so. What does this one smell like? Oh my god, this one smells so good. You want to smell it? It smells like, kind of like chocolate chips or
Oh, that
something.
smells like chocolate.
This
Oh,
one
it smells like cotton candy.
Can I smell it?
Mm-hmm.
This one smells like chocolate. Like chocolate.
Cool.
Oh, cool.
So guys, I would really recommend getting these. They're really so much fun.
Yes.
It was so fun to pop and open them, and I didn't even know they were scented.
Yeah, those are really cool, and they smell really good. There's not one that doesn't smell good. Okay, guys, which one was your favorite out of all of these little plushies?
I like both of them. I can't tell which one.
That's cute.
I like the rainbow unicorn one.
The rainbow unicorn one. This one.
This one?
Wait, what was this one?
And which
Oh,
one?
it's an alligator.
Yeah. Cool.
This smells good. Like peaches, kind of.
smell like? Mm.
And
This
then
one's vanilla. What was your favorite, Mara?
my favorite was this one because I love chocolate.
Oh. Okay, Chisa, which one was your favorite?
I'm not sure. I liked all of them.
I liked all of them too. I like the scents of all of them. They're all really good scents. So that's it for today's video. Check out our other videos, and we recommend these. Lots of fun. Okay, guys. See y'all next time. Bye.